Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to unbox and review external SSD by Samsung, which is Samsung T7 Touch SSD, which is one of the most secure SSD in the market with hardware level security. This external SSD is best for MacBook users. If you have MacBook Air or Pro 256GB, then this SSD is better option than buying an expensive Mac with more storage. It is also best for Windows users as well. The T7 Touch is equipped with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port on one of its shorter edges. This oval-shaped port is capable of transfer speeds up to 10 Gbps, confusing and only becoming more so. But if you've got a device made in the last 5 years or so with a Thunderbolt 3 or USB 3.x port, the Samsung SSD should be compatible with it, if not necessarily at its peak speeds. Samsung provides both a USB Type-C cable and a Type-C to Type-A cable. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.